Liverpool aggressive, centre-back to replace Van Dijk, he's also Dutch. According to a report, Liverpool have made Ajax and Netherlands defender Jorrel Hato one of the top targets for next summer's transfer window. Arsenal have been heavily linked with the possibility of signing the talented youngster, and it was recently reported that Chelsea are also interested in him. Liverpool have made an excellent start to the season under new manager Arne Slot, and he, along with new sporting director Richard Hughes, have yet to make their mark in the transfer market, with much of the squad left by Jurgen Klopp performing excellently under the Dutchman. The Reds may need defensive reinforcements at the end of the season, however, with Virgil van Dijk and Trent Alexander-Arnold both out of contract. Both players could leave for free, although the club are continuing to work on new deals for the iconic duo and striker Mohamed Salah. The futures of Joe Gomez, Andy Robertson and Kostas Tsimikas are also far from certain, meaning Liverpool could be in the market for defensive reinforcements next summer. According to Graham Bailey, via Court Offside, Dutch international Hato has been identified as a key target by the Anfield hierarchy and someone who could, in time, be Van Dijk's successor. The outlet also reports that the chances of a move to the Premier League next summer for the 18-year-old, who already has 81 professional club appearances to his name, are high, and it seems likely that there will be no shortage of potential suitors. Liverpool have inquired about Hato's availability, with a possible transfer fee expected. Hato's maturity and experience, he can also operate at left back, belie his age, making him an attractive option for Liverpool's defensive future. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications and don't miss the next videos.